Hi, my name is Casey Backus and I'm a Norwex independent sales consultant, and I am coming to you from my bathroom to show you how Norwex stands up against the toilet and how to clean our toilet with Norwex.
So here's our toilet. First, I'm going to be using a testing swab to see whether or not it's dirty. So I'm just going to swab this little area here on the toilet to test it. Green means that it's clean, and purple means there's protein, which is a breeding ground for bacteria. And that turned purple right away, so we know this toilet is dirty. So here's our indicator. Green is clean, purple means there's protein. So now I'm going to take the Norwex EnviroCloth, and I'm going to be using the side with the tag on it, just so you know which side I'm using in testing. And I'm going to wipe down the outside of the toilet with the EnviroCloth. I've already gotten it wet with water, and normally I would use this to clean the entire toilet, the back, handle, and the base, but for time's sake, I will just do the seat and the top of the bowl. So I use the Norwex EnviroCloth and water all over the outside of the toilet, and I use the tag side to clean that. So now we're going to test the same area again. I have a new swab here that I'm going to use, and we're going to test the same area as before after cleaning it with the cloth. So you can see that this one is green. After cleaning the outside of my toilet with just a cloth and water, it is green, which is clean. It picked up all that nastiness that was on the surface before. So now I'm actually going to test the cloth itself. Norwex microfiber removes up to 99% of bacteria from the surface when following the proper care and use instructions. So all of the stuff that was on the toilet is now in the cloth, but because of the density of the cloth, it stays there until it's washed out. It doesn't transfer from surface to surface. So even after wiping the cloth, the swab is still green. So we know that the Norwex EnviroCloth with just water can clean the outside. But how do you clean the inside? I don't want to stick my hand inside the toilet. So I'm actually going to use our Blue Diamond bathroom cleaner, and it's highly concentrated. So you don't need to put it all around the rim. I just put a few drops into the water. And I'm going to be using our ergonomic toilet brush to swish the water and get it on there. And then I just clean the inside of the toilet. So it's super easy. It cleans all of the inside. And then this area here, I use to get underneath the rim. And that's how you clean the toilet with Norwex. Super easy. Thanks for joining me.